Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and today we are discussing the operations revision test 3 which was held in grade 5. So let's start. So it says that Harshal had rupees 20. He spent all his money on some cookies. So he had rupees 20 with him and he spent all his money on some cookies. The cookies were sold at rupees 4 for 280 grams. So how much cookies did Harshal buy? So basically we are asking how many grams did Harshal buy. So cookies are coming in packs of 280 grams and each pack is of rupees 4 and he is having 20 rupees. So let's draw a bar representing 20. Now 20 can be splitted into 4 like this. This is rupees 20 and we can divide it into 5 equal parts and each part is rupees 4. So basically when we divide 20 by 5 we get rupees 4. So that means 5 packs of 4 can be bought with rupees 20. So each pack is of 280 grams. So we can say 5 times 280, which will be equal to 1400 grams. So I hope it is clear, this one. So let's move on to the next one. So now let's solve the next question. So it says there are 3 times as many boys as girls in a party. So for this first statement, let's draw a boundary. So we have boys and girls. So if there is one box for girls, so boys, there should be 3 boxes because boys are 3 times as compared to girls, because it says there are 3 times as many boys as girls at a party. Now the next statement says that there are 24 fewer girls than boys. So clearly in the bar model we can see that the girls are 2 boxes less than the boys. So and we also know that there are 24 fewer. So these 2 boxes should be equal to 24. So we can do 2 boxes equal to 24. So 1 box would be equal to 12, and therefore now we can see the total children are represented by 4 boxes. Girls plus boys are the children. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can do simply 4 times 12, which is equal to 48. So there are 48 children in the party altogether. Okay, let's read out the next problem. Anita had 492 postcards at first. After giving Shrina 165 postcards, so she has given Shrina 165 postcards. Anita had 58 fewer postcards than Shrina. So how many postcards did Shrina have at first? So here, now this involves a comparison. And if you read the question carefully, we come to know that in the end, the comparison is absolutely clear. In the end, Anita had 58 fewer postcards than Shrina. So we can write down that in the end, we have Anita and Shrina. If Anita has fewer, her bar should be smaller as compared to Shrina. So we have a bigger bar for Shrina and it's 58. So the difference is 58. So we know in the beginning Anita had 492 and she gave away 165. So right now she must be having in the end 492 minus 165, which is equal to 327. So that means this part is 327. So this is also 327. So in the end, Shrina is having 327 plus 58, which is equal to 385. So how much was Shrina having in the beginning? So we have to take away 165. So 385 minus 165, which is same as 220. So let's go on to the next question. Okay, let's read out the problem. Jannat spent a total of rupees 780 on a mobile phone and a notebook. The notebook cost 3 times as much as the mobile phone. So how much does the mobile phone cost? So we can first draw a bar model, notebook and mobile phone. So the notebook costs 3 times. So we make 3 boxes and 1 box for the mobile phone. And the total cost is 780. All the boxes are equal, so we can divide 780 by 4 to figure out the value of 1 box. So how much is that? It is 195. So that means the cost of the mobile phone is rupees 195. Okay, let's read the next question. Veena had twice as many stamps as Aryan. There are 2 people. So in the beginning, what is the case? Veena and Aryan. Veena is having twice. So if Aryan is having 1 box, Veena is having 2 boxes. So what happens next? After Aryan bought 50 more stamps. So Aryan has bought 50 more stamps. So Aryan had thrice as many stamps as Veena. So we know that right now also Veena is having 2 boxes. Veena is having the same. Only Aryan has bought 50 more, but Veena is having 2 boxes only. So now they say Aryan is having 3 times as much as Veena. So 3 times, like there are 2 boxes, so we should make this is 1 time of whatever Veena has. Now 2 times, then 3 times. So that means if Veena is having 2 boxes, Aryan is having 6 boxes. And now we know earlier Aryan was having 1 box and Veena was having 2 boxes. And this situation happened only when Aryan bought 50 more stamps. So these 5 boxes should be equal to 50 stamps. So we can easily say 5 boxes equal to 50 and 1 box should be equal to 10. 50 divided by 5. Therefore, Veena is having how many stamps? 2 times 10, that is 20 stamps. I hope it is clear. Okay, here let's read the next question. Gurpreet and Manpreet have 136 stickers. So they are having 136 stickers altogether. After giving 4 stickers to Manpreet, Gurpreet has 3 times as many as Manpreet. So let's start from the end. Gurpreet has 3 times. So how many boxes will be there for Gurpreet and how many for Manpreet? Yes, it's right. We'll have 1 box for Manpreet and 3 boxes for Gurpreet. Now see, when does this happen? When Manpreet gives, no, Gurpreet gives 4 to Manpreet. This happens after this action, but the total remains the same. The total will not be affected if they are giving to each other only. So the total will remain as 136 only. So we can figure out the value of one box by dividing 136 by 4, because there are in all 4 boxes. So 136 divided by 4 is 34. So the value of one box is 34. That means Gurpreet has 3 times 34, which is equal to 102, and Manpreet has 34. But now Gurpreet had given 4 to Manpreet in the beginning. So let's give it back. So let's give back to Gurpreet the 4 which she has given to Manpreet. So this would be equal to 106, and we are taking from Manpreet, so we'll have to subtract. So that would be 30. So that means Gurpreet was having 106 stickers in the beginning. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.